Well. Let's take a look at you, Nino Mai Inanis.
We're making a water
Oi!
landing.
Why are you in the bathroom, Ina? Where's
Why
the
not?
effort? Where's the effort, Ina? Put on the gloves, Ina.
This is my effort.
This is no effort. Unless.
What do you mean?
Unless you came in the bathrobe in order to show me what's underneath more easy.
Oh yeah. I mean, would you have rather me come in a wedding dress?
Anyway, also look at this super scuffed flag. If someone can make a proper flag of my logo, please do. I will use it.
How you still have like the.
I was making it and I thought that disappears after you save it, but I was wrong.
You know how I lofted your flag? You wanna look at mine?
Oh, yes. Inya. Why is the flag so low effort? What happened? What happened there?
I don't know. I'm pretty sure I had a proper flag, but when I checked today, I was like, eh?
Oh no. What's one thing that you want to do when you become 3D, Ina? I always say that I want to hatch an egg on stream.
Oh. I want to lie on the floor.
Wow. Oh, can I step on you when you lie on the floor? I can try to give you some kind of massage. You don't want to try that?
You can
try to
stand
fix
near
it.
me. Yeah,
Near you.
You can see
Oh, yes?
the Bantu Express.
You probably don't even have
I
to
mean, your
lie down
skirt
in
is
order.
pretty short. Yeah, you're gonna have to be
Mhm.
careful.
I think you don't even have to lie down in order to see inside.
I
I think.
just have to leave. Okay, never mind.
Just gotta look a little bit like this. Oh,
Oh yeah.
oh,
See that?
oh. What's down there?
Yeah.
But you're the one talking. You're
Yes,
like your whole chest is like out there in your normal outfit.
Oh, don't worry.
I mean, you're non ex.
Get out of here.
Okay.
Right.
Yes. Okay.